Salutare, dragi prieteni, bun găsit la un nou episod din Viața de Navigator. Astăzi sunt în atelierul electricianului, ofițerul electrician, și vom sta împreună, vom avea împreună câteva treburi, mai mult el decât mine, și vreau să vă arăt ceea ce face el zi de zi la bordul navei.
There is a X.
Asta este o lampă de pe puntea navei, X-Proof. E certificată pentru a putea fi folosită pe puntea navei într-o atmosferă gazoasă, așa cum este la noi pe vapor, adică poate fi gaz, și pentru a nu exista un scurt circuit sau o scânteie care poate declanșa incendiul, aceasta este certificată X-Class. Hai să vedem ce face acum electricianul. Trebuie să-i monteze cablul.
Also X-Class.
Și această conexiune este tot așa certificată, scrie pe ea X-Class.
Thank you.
Da. Și aici la fel. Acesta este capacul, vedeți? Okay, now you can explain. I will translate in Romanian.
So we have to connect new cable. So I connect inside in the workshop because weather is no good. Yeah, and I cannot do this outside. So I connect there. I have this 27 meters with this cable, and so later on I put this floodlight on the place and then lay down the cable. So cable is three wires for the 1.5 square millimeters what we are using for the light. Yeah, so just this one is passing through this explosion proof glands, tights, very good, connecting where it must be connected, all three.
Yeah.
Two lines and the one grounding, and then tight bolts, put some grease there, yeah, just so for good contact.
Yeah. I have very often question how the ship is how the electricity is grounded on the ship.
So on the ship, just you see, for example, there is three wires.
Yes.
So one of these wires is going to the grounding.
Yes.
So it is grounding from there, and through the cable is grounding somewhere where is this cable connected. That is the first thing. Another thing, so if you look any equipment have such signs, is grounding. So there is here, this is from the body and have separate cable, and this going to the ship's ground. Where is this floodlight is mounted, so this connected.
To the ship hull.
Yeah, to the ship hull. Oh, there is a pedestal. Where is it? Pedestal is welded to the ship.
Yes.
So it is straight connecting with this wire. Yeah. So it is like how it is connecting.
So the grounding cable from the lamp, it's connected directly to the ship hull.
Yeah. Actually, yes. It's two ways, but this grounding always connected with the ship grounding.
Yes.
There is the one inside of the cable grounding wire, which is also same. If you look, there is the same here. You see this grounding is going here, and then through the cable is also going to the grounding.
Yes.
If this one is broken because of bad weather, strong waves or whatever else is broken, the grounding still remaining is going through the cable.
Yeah.
So it is very important. Grounding always present.
Yeah. I hope it's clear for everybody.
Yeah, definitely. Removing this protection shield. So For what is using this protection shield on the cables? How do you think? What is your followers can tell us? What their opinion?
Ok, înainte să vă explice electricianul despre ce este vorba, lăsați și voi comentariul de ce credeți că există această folie de protecție și această sârmă de cupru de la interior.
Yeah. And later on you give them correct answer.
Ok, haideți lăsați comentarii și după aia să vedem ce răspuns ne dă electricianul.
So, this one removing.
Să vedem cine ghicește exact.
Okay. Okay. Back. Yeah, this is going down. This one, see how it is looks. So it is squeezing
Yes.
and giving the good contact. Going here, back. Okay. So, wait. Now, give some. Put insulation tape, then put this one, and then it's made like this. Nice looking, yeah. Okay, so these wires will be connected here, and cutting the ends, yeah. And we're using that device.
Cable cutter.
Yeah, that's removing insulation.
Yeah.
You see, not cutting the wire.
Yes, yes.
This automatical stripper.
Only you should use the proper size.
Yeah, that is, you already know where to put blin. If you put in the smaller, maybe it will cut blin the
Yes,
wire.
yes.
Like if you put on the bigger, that is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is next thing, because if you put this one and then tie it with a bolt, this will go in the side and may be broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to put this small ferrules. Yeah, so we'll see what we have here. Maybe black. Yeah,
Yes.
black. Another black. This. And one more black. Yeah. Yeah. So now we need to crimp this one. There
Yeah.
is two devices. This device and there is another device. Is more traditional device.
Aha.
Yeah. So this make half round. Yeah, half round profile of that one. That one in the end give square. So I using this one. This is more easy. The only problem, so this one should go from there. Sometimes you need only from here.
Yes, yes.
So that is using that one. So up, put. Yeah, just it. Ready.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like square, yeah?
Yes.
Very nice. So this one long, you can cut using precise scissors. These scissors, so electrical scissor we cut in only copper and aluminium wires. We're not using for the metal. Otherwise, so next, what we have here, так, блядь, крутить вот этот надо открутить. So, this double. So, the body of floodlight, this body is made of the aluminium. See this aluminium, yeah? So, this is not aluminium, this is a steel. Yeah, so the thread, if it's a different material, usually have electrochemical corrosion. So we never using like a copper part together with aluminum part because it will be an electrochemical corrosion. And to have this thread okay, and later maybe possible to open, so we put this special grease.
Yeah.
This grease for the containing some molybdenum, and this is not contain copper. Otherwise here will be problem. Yeah. So this one going down, and now we have that. This I think is also from here. Yeah. Duck, and compression rubber. Yeah. Oops. Going there, and then let's see how much we need. We don't need long end. I just put little bit here, yeah.
Yeah.
And then okay. This one is so it is not moving already. Yeah, it's already stuck here. Yeah. So next, bring in our ends. So we put in that one, tighten. So see if it's a little bit moving inside. So we're adjusting how much we need, and then it's tighten. And then we take a bit bigger spanner, and then tighten. So it must be watertight. So water tightness achieved by the compression of this rubber and by the grease what we have here on the thread. So this grease not allowing for the water going inside,
Yeah.
and the compression rubber not allow it to go inside water also. Yeah. So here we have here is combination of two parts, yeah?
Yeah.
Because that was thread 3 to 4, that is a metrical thread on that part. So we're using this one like adapter, both marked like explosion proof, because we cannot put this unit. This unit looks like this, yeah. So we cannot put this straight here because different holes, yeah?
Yes.
So that is we using this adapter. So here already compressed.
Yeah.
When we start compressing this one, this also will be compressed.
Yes.
But here is remaining air. So I thinking that I can put here in this volume, fill this volume with a special dielectrical silicone.
Silicone, yeah?
This is not ordinary silicone used by plumbers. This is special one. Special one. Aerozone.
Special silicone. Yeah.
Yeah, this is for electrical. And yeah. Going. Place, yeah, clean it once again. Very good. Так, so now tighten. So tighten using two spanners. 30 или нет? 30. How is rubber this
Yes. It's
tighten
sealing now.
and sealing. No? just our idea to tight this enough so it is touching the wire, not over tight.
Yeah.
So that is okay. So
We can clean it.
yeah. Now we have to connect wires. Plenty screwdrivers with a different width of this one, or width of the working. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can use in the proper one, which is going inside. Another one maybe not going. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see? So let's open. Open. There. So now connecting. Okay. So normally marking of the wires always present one. You see, blue, brown, and the green one. So the green one is always this is the ground. This one don't have green, so we are connecting with brown like it. Special. Yeah, I need to be sure that tight it properly, yeah? So, the bad contact, if it's not tightened properly, so then is a touching here, heating, and then burning here. Because when heating, plastic melt, and then maybe short circuit. So everything should be properly tight. But not over tight, otherwise you can break this construction. Notice. Oh. Okay, so connected. Now next step. On this surface, see there is a rubber here. Yeah, this little small rubber, and
Yeah.
this
Silicone rubber, like.
yeah, this already was in use, so this little bit already corrosion here. Yeah.
Yeah.
So to make better connection, we are using silicone grease. This is not silicone, this is silicone grease. Silicone grease 4000, the exact name. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we put in this one. This is good for the rubber, not destroying the rubber. Yeah. And then it is allowing this grease is coming to the small, small grooves on the surface. So you want to be sure so the water is not going inside. Yeah. As I say, this is floodlight. This is this floodlight is located on the main deck because this is for the accommodation and pilot ladder, so it can be affected by waves. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for that reason, very important. So it must be,
Proper sealing.
yeah. So proper sealing is very important. Yeah. So okay. So that is enough. Enough. Yeah. Now see managing the wires how it is going. Okay. Yeah, it's going nice. Then we are putting, just checking. Yeah. So yeah. And then bolts. So the bolts, before I put already grease on the bolts also. Starting putting all bolts in the place. So now it's clear how it is working. Yeah. One more question, maybe your followers will ask what to do. What is this? Some rusted construction. Yeah. That is I will remove this one. It is rusted. There is no hole here because there is a just blind. Yeah, but it looks no good, ugly. So we can put here such a nice plug. You see also it's nicely marked.
Certificated, yeah.
Yeah, and then removing this one and put this nice plug, and then it's finally construction will be nice.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
later on you can show how it is looks on the place when it is assembled. Yeah.
Okay. So now tell us the answer for this protection shield. What for?
So for what using this protection shield? Yeah, of course. Everybody can say, yeah, this is to protect cable. Yeah, it is making the cables more stronger, this shield. Yeah, that is one thing. But the most important, we are working on the ship. There is plenty electrical equipment there. There is kilometers, 100 kilometers of the cables. And all of this generated some parasitical, like spikes. So some devices which is not protected from these parasitical spikes, they can make like interferences for each other.
Yeah.
So all cables on ship is shielded
Yeah.
to avoid transmission of these interferences. Something like that.
Yeah.
So otherwise can be something like somebody start cargo compressor. This was jumping of the current, and then somebody's notebook burned.
Yeah.
What to do?
Okay.
Yeah, finish. Thank you.
Thank you too. Așadar, gata cu jobul ăsta, vom trece la alte și alte joburi, tot împreună cu ofițerul electrician. Din păcate nu vrea să-și dezvăluie identitatea, dar cred că veți avea ceva de învățat de la el sau de la mâinile lui pe care le veți vedea în acest video.